In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start using Bubble.io Website Builder 2025. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur with a groundbreaking idea or someone looking to build a personal website without coding experience, Bubble.io is a remarkable tool that simplifies the process of bringing your web application ideas to life. Let's dive in and explore how you can get started. First, head over to the Bubble.io website. Once you arrive at their homepage, you'll find all the tools you need to begin your journey. At the top of the page, there's a section called Projects where you can manage all your work. To start fresh, click on Create New Project. This acts as the launchpad for your new web app or website. Next, it's time to give your project a name. Naming your project clearly and descriptively can help you keep things organized as you progress, especially if you plan on managing multiple projects. Once you've settled on a name that captures the essence of your idea, type it into the designated field and let your creativity begin to flow. After naming your project, you'll be faced with a few options. For simplicity, click on Create a Blank App. This option is perfect for those wanting to build from the ground up, as it allows you to mold and shape your project without any pre-existing constraints or templates. Now that your canvas is ready, it's time to kick things off by clicking Get Started. This button propels you into the main workspace of Bubble.io, where you'll truly begin to materialize your vision. This platform provides a sleek, intuitive layout that makes navigation a breeze. As you might find, building something new can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially if you're new to this. Bubble.io offers an option to start with basic features. By selecting this, you'll equip yourself with essential tools and elements that streamline your building process. Here, you have access to foundational setups like navigation menus and standard page layouts, perfect for getting a structured jumpstart on your project. By the time you've followed these steps, you're well on your way to constructing a polished, professional-grade web app or site. Bubble.io provides all the framework and support needed, allowing you to focus your time and effort on what makes your project unique. In conclusion, the beauty of Bubble.io lies in its ability to empower you, transforming complex coding into a seamless and user-friendly experience. This platform serves as a powerful ally in unleashing your digital creativity. Join in at your own pace, explore, and most importantly, enjoy the process of creating something truly special. I hope this introduction sets you on a path to many successful projects using Bubble.io. Thank you for watching, and happy building!